Hi guys, it's me, Janique618, and I'm here to do the Walking Dead supply drop box. I'm not sure which box this is because of this pandemic that's going on. They had to, like, their shipments of the supply drop box were delayed. So I believe this would be the winter one. I'm not 100% sure. I think this is the winter one. The winter, because for the supply drop box, it's $50 a month. No, I'm sorry, I'm bugging. It's $50 every 3 months, right? Is it 3 months? I think so. I think it's about $50 every 3 months. Every season, basically. So every season, you're supposed to get a supply drop box. And I'm trying to think. Yeah, I think it's every 3 months. It's $50. You can also sign up through Amazon. And I think when you sign up through Amazon, because Amazon they deliver these. Well, they could deliver these now. But I think if you sign up through Amazon for the Walking Dead supply drop box under Amazon Prime, I think you get a discount. But this is the winter box, which, like I said, was delayed because of the pandemic. But I got this a few days ago, and I've been waiting for a time where I'm like kind of alone because I'm home with my family, so it's kind of hard to make videos when people are home all day, every day. I'm home as well though, so not going to work. I could go to work, but it's too much. Like, people are getting sick at my job, and yeah, I'm an essential worker, so no. I'm not going to work right now. So this is the winter one. This one is based on the last events that's been going on, like Michonne's last episode and things like that. So the box is really based on Michonne, and yeah, I think everything in there is pretty much Michonne based. The box itself looks like the box. You see the little lock right here? This is the box, or replica of the box, that Michonne found in her last episode. She was on a boat or whatever, or she got on a boat and discovered this box, and inside it had some items that belonged to her boo, her bae, Rick Grimes. So that's what this box is supposed to be. It's the box that Michonne found on the ship, and yeah, and inside had some items from Rick Grimes. And I've been wearing this, so that's why this is out of the box. I've been wearing this for like 2-3 days straight. This is a beautiful, beautiful hoodie. I've been wearing it, so there's hair on it and everything. But yeah, it's like hair all over it because I've been wearing it. But it's a really nice black hoodie. I get it really, really big. But it's a black hoodie, and it has Michonne on it. See that? It's a nice picture of Michonne fighting walkers. It's all black. It's really, well, I get it big. I get my stuff big, 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 big. As you can see, it's big. I've been wearing this like every day, and it has a hood and everything. And I've been wearing this like every freaking day. It's so warm and it feels so good. So yeah, I love this hoodie so much. Thank you, Walking Dead supply drop box. This hoodie is amazing. I've been wearing it like every day. Also in the box is oh my gosh, where's the thing at? Is this really cute pop figure of dog. dog is a dog that Daryl Dixon owns. So this is the dog pop figure, which I need to put back in the box, but it's so cute. And it's like the material is like fuzzy and soft. Look at his big eyes. It's so cute. So that's supposed to be dog. Here's the box. And this is dog number 891. You can see. It's really, really, really cute. I'm going to put it back in the box and put it with my other Walking Dead stuff. Also with that comes this really, really nice journal. This is like my third notebook that I've gotten from the Walking Dead supply drop box. I'm loving their notebooks. The way that they make these notebooks, these journals, are so nice. I have this one. I also have the one that's the one that has Rick Grimes' badge on it. So I have a notebook that has Rick Grimes' badge on it. And then I have a notebook that was from Herschel. A Herschel notebook. So this is my third Walking Dead notebook. It is so freaking cute. It's got Michonne on it. The beautiful warrior Michonne. I love it. I love it. And the back is her katanas. Well, katana. Because uses one. But it's a katana twice. And it's got the thing to hold the book closed. And when you open it, it's got a picture of Michonne in one of her fighting stances. Look at that. So pretty. And then you turn the page and it says property up. You can put your name. And then you have nice blank paper. I mean, lined paper. And then in the back, there's another picture of Michonne. Very nice. And then inside this little pocket right here, it's just a little thing here for if you want to order this pop-up book. There's pop-up books and posters. If you want to get a poster, you can buy it. So this is a really cute notebook, which I'm not going to use right now, but I'm going to save it. It's so cute and I love it. I love the color. It's like this beautiful tan, this light brown color. Love it. You could, well, that's the one I got, but you could have got, there's 5 unique designs. Oh, and this, by the way, the hoodie, the Michonne hoodie, the description for the thing says, for Michonne hoodie, anger makes you stupid, stupid gets you killed. Rock this hoodie featuring Michonne, one of the fiercest survivors. And then the dog pop figure is an exclusive. And you can only get this through the Walking Dead supply drop box. And the hardcover journal right here, it says official TWD hardcover journal. The Whisperer War is in full swing, so take note with these limited TWD journals. You'll receive one of 5 unique designs featuring Michonne, Rick, Daryl, or one of your favorite walkers. So there are 4 other designs. So this is the Michonne one, which I'm really glad I got the Michonne one because I love her dearly. I love her so much. She's my favorite character. So I'm so glad I got the Michonne one. You can also get Rick, Daryl, or a walker. So you can see. You see that? Rick, Daryl, or a walker. And then there is this, I took everything out the packaging, that's why it is open. This is the 3-circle pin. This right here. The 3 circles represent 3 different civilizations. It says scan the QR code on the back of the pin and check out the latest trailer of The Walking Dead World Beyond, which is a spin-off Walking Dead show that is coming out, don't know when, because it got postponed or delayed because of the pandemic. So the World Beyond show has been postponed. But this is the 3-circle pendant, the symbol. This is the same symbol that was on the helicopter that took Rick and what was her name? Anne, I think her name was. I think her name is Anne, or whatever her name was. I forgot what her name was. Trash lady. She took Rick on a helicopter that had this symbol on it. I know a lot about The Walking Dead because I'm a big, huge Walking Dead fan. I have Walking Dead stuff all over my room. Not from behind me, but over there is all Walking Dead stuff. And then, last but not least, is this storyboard art prints. So this is a storyboard set that sets the scene for production and is used to communicate what comes to life on screen. We've included the storyboard print showcasing a scene from Season 9, Episode 14, Scars, illustrated by artist Mark Simon. Sorry, I can't read. His name is Mark Simon. In this scene, Michonne saves Judith from a group of walkers. So that is what this is, a storyboard. This is what they use. This is what the illustrators and the design team of The Walking Dead uses when they are, getting their episodes together. So when you take it out the plastic here, it's a really beautifully drawn picture of Michonne fighting zombies, trying to keep her adopted daughter, Judith, safe. It's really cool. Like the drawing, it's so nice. Like it's in black and it's like black, white, and gray. But then like the blood is kind of like a brown. So it's black, white, gray, and a little bit of brown. It's really nice. Like this is so nice. Look at that. This is a nice drawing. I'm going to keep it in the plastic, keep it safe. I'm going to put it away. I don't want it to get messed up because this is really cool. Any picture, anything from Michonne, I am going to keep. I will miss her so much. It sucks that she had to leave the show, but people have all the things they have, planned for their life, so. But anyways, that is it for the Walking Dead supply drop box. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love this box. Like I said, they got delayed, but I'm glad I got it now. And yeah, so that's the Walking Dead supply drop box for, I believe it's for the winter 2020. I believe it's the winter because that's why they would give you a hoodie. They wouldn't give you a hoodie if it was a spring box. If it was a spring box, they would give you like a t-shirt or something. They would give you a t-shirt. But for the winter ones, they give you a hoodie. So, anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you next time. Be safe out there. Be strong. Stay home if you can. And if you go to work, be careful. Love you guys. God bless. Bye.